Okay, now shoulders back. Forward. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep doing that. Arms forward. Bicep touching your ears. Make a big circle slowly. Backwards. Hands on your shoulders. Forward first, slowly. Bicep touching your ears. Then elbows touching. Then go back. Shoulder blade touching. Reverse. Elbows touching. Bicep touching your ears. Shoulder blades touching on the back. Okay, elbows up and down. Elbows rotate in one direction first. Change direction. Your wrists in one direction. Change direction. Your fingers, your thumb. Okay, hands on your waist. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Feet and head still in one place. Rotate your waist clockwise. Pivot your waist around your head and feet. Other way around, anti-clockwise. Okay, hands on your knees and keep your feet together and then still clockwise. Big rotation. You might hear the crackling noise, the air releasing from your bones, from your joints. Change direction, anti-clockwise. Okay, now open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Now outside in, other way around. Okay, we'll move on to ankles. So rotate your right, lift your right leg, rotate your ankles in one direction, change direction, up, down, sideways, change your leg, left leg, rotate ankles, change direction, up, down, sideways. That's it. Now shake your body and then slowly start jogging. Slowly, we'll just increase the pulse. Increase the speed. Our knees. Heels back. Again, fast jogging. Breathe in, breathe out through your nose. Alternate arms and legs. Right twister. Jumping. Return forward skipping. Backward skipping. Jumping, star jump. Slow down and relax. Check your calf muscles, loosen them up. Normal breathing, breathe out. We'll do breathing activity, breathing exercise, Swaswayam. Feet together, palms open on your side. Deep breathe in, breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up, arms up on your toe, hold, breathe out. One more time, deep breathe in, breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up, arms up on your toe, hold, breathe out. Okay, we'll do Satat Yoga, continuous movement. Today we'll do left side, right side 16, both 16, up 16, and then combination of all four. We are jumping, so if you don't know, just copy me. So palms together, feet on your side, together. Satat Yoga, Prakar ek, Kuru. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Left, right, both up, left, right, both up. Breathing, breathe out. Put your hands together, join them, hands up, breathe in, down, breathe out, up, breathe in, down, breathe out. We'll do wood chopper breath. So feet shoulder width apart. When you go down, you can bend in your knees. Pretend like you're holding axe. Deep breathe in through your nose, breathe in, and exhale through your mouth. And cut, chop. 10 times in one pace. When you're done, just relax, ease out, and then you can sit down or be standing up. I'm just doing it so that you can see. So fish on your side. We are doing Bhastrika, pumping one. This time only nose. So no mouth. Keep your mouth closed. So up, fist open, breathe in, down, breathe out. Deep, long, breathe in and breathe out. 10 to 12 times at your own pace. Guru. Hold your breath for some time. Your body received lots of oxygen while deep breathing in. Just consume that. For some time, your body may not need lots of oxygen. When you need just normal breathing without. Okay, now our body is warmed up from inside outside. We'll do some stretching, dynamic stretching. So neck up, breathe in, down, breathe out, up, breathe in, down, breathe out, back to front, left, front, right, front, ear to shoulders, left side, front, ear to shoulder, right side, front, right arm across, pull, push your feet at the arm, wrist. You should feel stretch onto your shoulder joints. Change. Okay, right arm up, push from elbow and try to hold backward. Change, left arm up, push from elbow, try to hold backward. We'll do sideways four times, 8 times together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll just do back twisting two times both side. So right, front, left, front, right, front, left, front. I'll put the camera down now. Feet distance, the length of your feet from waist to the heels will touch other toe, alternate toe. 8 times both side. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now go down on right. First do sideways, then slowly, if you can, hold your big toe, come down, calf muscles and hamstring. Breathe in up onto left side. Hold your big toe, stretch, stretch. Breathe in up. We'll do two times both sides. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Breathe out left. Breathe in up. Breathe out right. Breathe in up. Breathe out left. Breathe in up. Shake your legs. Just get your right leg in front. Bend your back leg. Hold your big toe. Stretch your calf muscles, hamstring. Touch the floor. Sweep the floor with your hands. Get it bit further forward. Touch the floor. Forehead on your front knee. Stretch. Breathe in up. Change. Left leg forward. Front leg straight. Back leg bent. Touch the big toe. Hold it. Stretch. Touch the floor. Forehead on your front knee. Sweep the floor with your hands. Get it bit further forward. Left leg. Touch the floor and forehead on your front knee. Breathe in up. Relax. Relax. Keep breathing and breathing out. We'll just do come in Samasthiti. Palms facing front. 2 more breaths. Okay, we'll do Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation. So we'll just follow the music. So come in Aramasthiti. Initially, I'll put phone number 1 again up so that you can see the number 1, and then after that, I'll keep it down only. So everybody in Arama.
Surya Namaskar.
Join your heels, your toes, and your palm.
Sara Savitrumandalamatavarti Narayana Sarasya Sannidishta Eyuravam Kundalam Hari Rama Apurasuta Shankachakra. Om Raya Namaha.
Okay, ek, breathe in, go up all the way. Keep your hands straight, look towards your palm where they are meeting, biceps on your side of the ear. Breathe out, though, go down, touch the floor, keep your knees straight, hands on your side of the feet, left leg back, breathe in, right leg back, breathe out, hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor, Breathe in, come up, cobra. Breathe out, go back, downward dog. Left leg forward, breathe in. Right leg forward, breathe out. Breathe in up. Normal, breathe in, breathe out. Next one.
ॐ रवये नमः
Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Keep your knees straight. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up, cobra. Breathe out, down, downward dog. Right leg forward, breathe in. Left leg forward, breathe out. Back to up, breathe in.
ॐ सूर्याय नमः
Breathe in up, Urdhvasan. Breathe out, down, Utthanasan. Left leg back, breathe in. Ekpada Prasannasan. Right leg back, breathe out. Chaturanga Dandasan. Hold your breath, path, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Ashtangasan. Breathe in, Bhujangasan, Cobra. Look up, breathe out. Downward dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg forward, breathe in. Ekpada Prasannasan. Right leg forward, breathe out. Utthanasan. Breathe in up. Pranamasan, Namaskarasan. Normal, breathe in, breathe out.
ॐ हरवे नमः
Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Right leg forward, breathe in. Left leg forward, breathe out. Breathe in up. And then normal, breathe in, breathe out.
ॐ खगाय नमः
Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg forward, breathe in. Right leg forward, breathe out. Breathe in up. Normal, breathe in, breathe out.
ॐ पूष्णे नमः
Breathe in up all the way. Breathe out, down. Touch the floor, keep your knees straight. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up, cobra. Breathe out, back, downward dog. Right leg forward, breathe in. Left leg forward, breathe out. Breathe in up. Namaskarasan.
ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः
Breathe in up, Urdhvasan. Breathe out, Utthanasan. Left leg back, breathe in. Ekpada Prasannasan. Right leg back, breathe out. Chaturanga Dandasan. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Ashtangasan. Breathe in, Bhujangasan. Breathe out, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in, left leg forward. Ekapada Prasannasan. Breathe out, right leg forward. Utthanasan. Breathe in, Pranamasan, Namaskarasan.
ॐ हरिजये नमः
Breathe in up, breathe out down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up, cobra. Breathe out, down, downward dog. Right leg forward, breathe in. Left leg forward, breathe out. Breathe in up, Namaskarasana. This time I will check on you.
Om Vidyaya Namah.
Okay, start. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Touch the floor, knees straight. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. 5, hold your breath. 6, cobra. 7, downward dog, heels touching the floor. Left leg forward. 8, breathe in. Right leg forward, breathe out, knees straight. 10, normal, breathe in, breathe out. And then back to Namaskarasana. There were not that many camera on, so I couldn't see. But yeah, those were.
Om Savitre Namah.
Breathe in up, breathe out down. Breathe in, right leg back. Breathe out, left leg back. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down, downward dog. Right leg forward, breathe in. Left leg forward, breathe out. Breathe in up. Back to Namaskarasana.
Om Harkaya Namah.
Okay, inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, Namaskarasana. A normal breathe in, breathe out.
Om Bhaskaraya Namah.
Okay, inhale up. Exhale down. Right leg back. Inhale. Left leg back. Exhale. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Inhale up, cobra. Exhale back, downward dog. Right leg forward. Breathe in. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale. Back to Namaskarasana.
Om Shri Savitru Surya Narayanaya Namah.
So this is the 13th one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Touch the floor. Left leg back. Inhale. Exhale, right leg back. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Inhale up, cobra. Exhale, back, downward dog. Left leg touching the floor. Inhale. Exhale, right leg front. Keep your knees straight, hand touching the floor. Inhale, back to Namaskarasana. We'll do 2 more 15 to make it 15. Okay, so Kuru, breathe in up, breathe out down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up, cobra. Breathe out, go back, downward dog. Right leg forward, breathe in. Left leg forward, breathe out. Breathe in up, normal breathe in, breathe out. 15th one, again last one. So breathe in up, breathe out down, left leg back, breathe in, right leg back, breathe out, hold your breath, forehead just knee touching the floor, breathe in up, cobra, breathe out, go back, downward dog, left leg forward, breathe in, right leg forward, breathe out, breathe in up, all the way, normal breathe in, breathe out, relax, but stay in Namaskar Sthiti. I'll be playing the end music. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Adityasya namaskaran ye kurvanti vidine vidine ayatma bhavatviridyam yasya jayate. Okay, we'll go back now. So hands down on your side and relax. Now just 30-second break. We'll be doing the sitting down yoga today. Sitting down with legs on the floor completely. Samatala Sthiti. So just adjust. If you want to drink a water, sip of water, you can. Okay. So when you're done, sit down. I'll just check. Yeah. So today we are going to do all the poses where we sit down completely uh, like this. I'll show you from side. So this is called Samatala Sthiti, also known as Dandasan. So the ideal sthiti is when you are actually in attention. Your hand should be on side of your hips, look in front, back erected. Okay, concentrating on nose tip. When you are relaxing, you can just go hand back and relax. Okay, so this sthiti is called Samatala Sthiti, Dandasana, or in English, staff pose. Okay, so we'll do some poses from this stage, this asan stan. Okay, so the simple one is Paschimottanasana, which is same as the number 2 of Surya Namaskar, Uttanasana, but we are actually seated down. So we try to touch our toes. So just stand erected like this. Then breathe in, hands up, breathe out, go forward as much as you can. Hold your feet if you can easily, your side of the sole or at least big toe if it's hard. Whichever way is easy, if you can do this, then your heels. Keep your knees straight, your tummy touching your thighs, chest touching your knees, forehead just under near your chin. Stay here, breathe out. You can breathe in as well if you need to. Normal breathe in, breathe out here while you are in the position. Stay here for longer. Maybe we'll say for 3 count. 3, 2, 1. And then when you are coming down, deep breathe in. So while you are in position, you can keep breathing in, breathing out. But when you come up, let's try to do deep breathing. We'll do one more time. Okay, so hands up, breathe in, and then breathe out. Touch the feet, keep your knees straight. You can do sideways on your sole, forehead on your chin. Keep your knees straight. You can breathe in, breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in up and then relax like this while I'm talking. So next one we're going to do is Janu Sirshasan. Janu is knee And Sirishasana is, like you're touching your head to the knee. So just take right leg in front, inside. This is 90 degree. So your heels onto your left groin, onto your left thigh. Okay. And then with left hand, hold your big toe. If your left leg in front, if it's right, do it right. So breathe in and breathe out and forehead on your front left knee. You can use the other hand as well to go forward. Keep there. Three, two, one. Breathe in up. We'll do one more time. Breathe out down. If you practice this more, you'll be able to do the number two of Surya Namaskar as well. So here your calf muscles, your hamstring muscles, and then the muscles just under your knees working out. They will make it flexible if you do it more. Keep your knees pushing down. Breathing up. Now, next time, right hand from your back. Try to touch your toe or at least make a curve. This is reverse Janu Sirishasana. 3, 2, 1. So we are trying to give some stretches to our right side of this body, waist and ribs. Now change your legs. Just sit in front. Left leg in front. Now just swap whichever leg we were doing. Change it. Now again, first hold your big toe with your two fingers so that you can lock it. Keep your knees straight. Breathe in, breathe out. Touch the floor. Touch forehead on your knee. Janu Sirshasan. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in up. If you can, just keep holding. Breathe out down. Keep your knee straight. Forehead touching your knee, front knee. Breathe in up. Now left leg, just try to go sideways and then touch reverse Janu Sirshasan. Stretch, stretch. Back to up. While your left leg is here, we'll move on to the next one instead of moving it forward. Get that leg on top of your thigh, near your knee. Okay, just hold it up and swing. Hold your knee and toe, sole. Just loosen up your hip joints. Now next one is try to hold between your elbow, your knee and your sole. Lock with your hand. It's called Hindolasan. Cradle pose like baby, baby in the arm. And then swing forehead. Try to touch your forehead onto the knee. 1, 2, 3. Now again forehead onto the toe. 1, 2, 3. Again swing, swing. Slowly keep it down. Now push your knee down if you can. Touch the floor. Bring it up close to your chest. One more time down. Bring it up. Okay. Now get that leg in front. Swap right leg back on your thigh near your knee. Hold your knee and then sole. Swing, swing first. Loosen up the joints. Now hold your legs from knee and sole between your elbows. Lock your fingers and then swing. Swing, swing nicely. Keep your back straight. Keep looking in front. The left leg which is down, keep it straight. Don't bend your knee. Hindolasan, cradle pose. Slowly keep the baby down. Hold. And now knee push it down, down, touch on the floor, up near your chest. We'll do one more time. Down, touch the floor, up near your chest. and then just keep this leg with you, because the next one we are doing is we need this leg back. It's called, if you need to just take break, you can just relax, breathe in, breathe out while I'm talking about it. So next one is Akarna Dhanurasan. So shooting bow arrow pose. So basically we'll make up the pose like we are actually shooting the bow and arrow. So what you do, the leg, if it's right leg up in front, so hold with your uh, fingers, pull it back, and then other hand hold your left toe. I'll show you sideways. So right leg in right hand, left leg in left hand. Now here if you see, there's one line all the way coming from hand, left hand to right. It should be in the ear level. The elbow of the upper hand should be at least in line with your ear. Okay, so yeah, you can do it. 3, 2, 1. Keep, if you can, up, slowly down, down. We'll do the other way around. Left leg up, hold your left big toe with your two fingers of the left hand, lift it up. uh, Elbow should come up to ear level, and then right hand down onto, you can see there should be one line from the right hand to the left hand, and then elbow to the ear level. Look in front, pull your front leg left up like you are pulling the trigger, holding the arrow, pulling it back. 3, 2, 1. Slowly down, 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 relax. Hands back, relax. Okay, next one we'll do Vakrasana. So there are different poses, Vakrasana and Marichayasana and Matsyendrasana. They're almost same. Always get confused. So right hand up like this. Okay. Now what you do, right hand, right leg up, and then right hand touch the back, left hand, the opposite hand come on the other side of your feet. Okay. Lift it up and look back. So you are twisting your back as well. 3, keep looking, make sure you know your backbone, your spine is nicely erected. 3, 2, 1. Slowly back to front. Leave your arms, then your feet down. Now left leg up. First keep it all the way up 90-degree. Now left hand back, at least in line with your spine, backbone. Now right hand, just get it on the side of your left leg, and then look back. Your hand, you can keep it up like this. Look back. Try to look at least on the other side of the spine. If you can, keep your spine nicely erected. I'm mean to say the wall, but other side of the spine. एक, दो, तीन. Slowly breathe in, breathe out, relax, release. Last one we'll do Baddha Naukasana. So one of my favorite. So hold your both toes together. I'll do sideways. To practice, you can just lift up the right leg, keep it straight. Hold. See, this is in the shoulder level or maybe up, but yeah, do at least shoulder levels. Then down, left leg up. Again, keep it straight. Down. Now the main one. Lift both leg up. You might not be able to do it full straight like this, so do at least this much, and slowly stretch. And then when you look in front, stretch. 3, 2, 1. This is the ideal position you should reach, but if you are bending, it's okay. Practice, with practice, you will be able to do it. Okay, then you can 3, 2, One. Slowly down, down, down. Relax. Just relax. So yeah, there were two, three more I wanted to do. With wide-legged and other things seated, but we'll now stop. We'll go to the pranayam. I'll give you 30-second break if you want to drink sip of water or just relax. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Okay, we'll start with Udgit. Udgit is the Omkar. So we'll do two times. Deep breathing in and O and Ma, all three letters of the Om. When you say your lower part of the body should feel the vibrations, the kampan. U is your tummy, your chest, your solar plex, and Ma is inside your brain, inside your head. So close your eyes. Make the mudra, Gyan mudra, index finger forcing onto your thumb. So deep breathe in. One more time. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one is Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is exhaling continuously through your nose. So deep breathe in and start exhaling. One per second. You can keep doing it while I'm talking about it. No part of the body should be moving. Only thing moving is the tummy, inhaling and inflating and deflating. If you can't do it, use your hand, palm and push your tummy. And if you observe when you exhale, your body inhales, in a fraction of second for you. That's if you are, healthy. But if you have any health problem, heart or BP or anything, then you can inhale as well like this. So explicitly inhale if you need to. So depending upon your body, you can decide. But this is very good. This is very good for but mainly for women, if you are pregnant or or period, then try to avoid this. Otherwise, anybody can do it. And then basically once you start, keep doing it as long as you can. Okay, slowly stop. Normal breathe in without. Today we'll do the next one, new one called Bhaya. Bhaya is basically you deep breathe in for 5 seconds. Deep breathe out for 5 seconds. And now there is no air in your body. You lock, you do the Jalandhar lock, the neck lock, and hold for 8 seconds. You hold for longer. That means no air should go in, no air should come out. As there is no air, you are holding. That's why it's called Bhaya. Bhaya means outer. Okay. So we'll do two times. So deep breathe in for 5 seconds. Breathe out for 5 seconds. And then lock for 8 seconds. Breathe in up. When you unlock the neck, breathe in. If you can't stay for 8 seconds, do as long as you can. Okay. Slowly you have to increase this duration. We'll do one more time. Deep breathe in for 5 seconds. Breathe out for 5 seconds. And then lock. Slowly breathe in up. Relax. Normal breathe in, breathe out. The last one, we always try to finish with the Brahmari, the humming sound, the buzzing sound. It's like chanting Omkar in the head without movement of your tongue. So simple one is keep your hands closing your ears, or if you know well, you can just thumb with the ear, middle finger to eyes, another two finger to your mouth. Breathe in and try to chant Om, which will end up as and we'll do it two times at our own pace. Mm. Mm. This is your hand, normal breathing without. Keep hands down. No, just normal breathing without. Raise your hand, brush your palms, make them warm. Keep brushing. When they're warm enough, make a cup onto your face, onto your eyes. Then massage gently your eyes with your fingers slowly. Then your forehead, then side of the forehead, just above your ear and back of the neck. And open your eyes. And namaskar. Come into Namaskar Sati. We'll do the Vishwa Pratana, the prayer for all. You can just say it in your mind after me. I'll be doing in Sanskrit and English. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kachit Dukha Bhag Bhavet Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May all become happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Let there be peace everywhere. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavad. Thanks a lot for joining in.